specific install, you don't have to remove the wheels and tires. We're in here installing a few extra parts on this thing, so we already had the wheels and tires removed. The first thing we're gonna do is go through and remove all the factory hardware from the bumper. You're gonna have 2 bolts on this side, on the top, 1 bolt on the bottom portion on the rear, and then 2 Allen-headed screws securing the fascia to the bumper. We're gonna go ahead and remove this hardware from both sides. Once you've removed all your factory hardware, you'll just grab a hold of your bumper here and just wiggle it straight away from the machine. Now it's time to get our new heavy-duty SuperATV bumper installed. All we're gonna do is take it, slide it right back in to the factory location. Then once we get our bumper lined up, we're gonna go ahead and take our factory hardware. Go ahead and get it reinstalled. You may have to wiggle the bumper around a little bit just to make sure you get everything started before you go to tightening on anything. And you just wanna make sure on this piece of fascia right here that it's tucked back in behind the bumper itself. And again, you may have to kind of pick up, wiggle around in order to get everything to line up. Just want to make sure that you get everything started straight. You don't want to cross thread anything. Now we'll get all our hardware started over here on the opposite side. Once we have everything started, we'll go through and fully tighten the hardware. Once all your hardware is tightened, that's all there is to it to install SuperATV's heavy-duty front bumper on a Honda Talon 1000. For more information on this bumper or any of SuperATV's great products, feel free to give us a call at 855-743-3427 or check us out online at superatv.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.